My name's Casey, and I'm a school counseling intern at Fishers High School, and today we're going to talk about understanding anxiety. So what is anxiety? Anxiety is your body's natural response to stress. It is a feeling of fear or apprehension about what is to come. For example, the first day of school or starting a new job. Anxiety feels different depending on the person experiencing it. Feelings can range from butterflies in your stomach to a racing heart. You might feel out of control, like there's a disconnect between your mind and body. Symptoms of anxiety include increased heart rate, rapid breathing, restlessness, difficulty concentrating, and trouble falling asleep. "25% of high school students are affected by anxiety. Here are some common causes of anxiety for high schoolers: social stresses, teachers, friends, bullies, overscheduling, lack of family time, lack of sleep, work that is too easy or too hard, learning style miscommunication, homework problems, test anxiety, poor diet, lack of preparation, family tension, or noise pollution. On this slide, we are going to discuss the causes and symptoms of test anxiety. One cause is fear of failure. While the pressure to perform can act as a motivator, it can also be devastating to individuals who tie their self-worth to the outcome of a test. Two other reasons could be lack of preparation or poor test history. Symptoms of anxiety can include physical symptoms such as headache, nausea, diarrhea, excessive sweating, shortness of breath, rapid heartbeat, lightheadedness, and feeling faint. Ways to cope with test anxiety. One way to cope with test anxiety is to be prepared. Develop good study habits. Study at least a week before the exam, in small increments of time, and over a few days, opposed to pulling an overnighter. Develop good test-taking skills. Read the directions carefully. Answer the questions you know first, and then return to the more difficult ones. Outline essays before you begin to write. Another way to cope with test anxiety is to maintain a positive attitude. Remember that your self-worth should not be dependent on or defined by a test grade. There is no benefit to negative thinking. Focused. Stay focused. This may be difficult, but try not to talk to other students about the subject material before taking an exam. While taking the exam, concentrate on the test, not what other students around you are doing. Practice relaxation techniques. If you feel stressed during the exam, take deep, slow breaths and consciously relax your muscles one at a time. This can invigorate your body and will allow you to better focus on the exam. Stay healthy. Get enough sleep, eat healthy, exercise, and allow for personal time. If you're exhausted, physically or emotionally, it will be more difficult for you to handle stress and anxiety. And last, visit the counseling center. Fishers High School is aware of the toll exams can take on students. They have offices and programs specifically dedicated to helping you and providing additional educational support so that you can be successful.